The tandem vertical band saw enables double cutting efficiency, coordinated with a car holder for seamless operation. Integrated with a PLC electronic gauge system, precise cuts are ensured with motor and reducer control. A treadmill facilitates board removal, completing the process efficiently and enhancing overall productivity. At Shucheng Ancheng Bamboo and Wood Factory, cutlery production starts with the selection of high-quality materials. The chosen materials undergo cutting, shaping, and finishing processes using specialized machinery at the factory. Finally, the finished cutlery undergoes quality checks before being packaged for distribution worldwide. Veneer production involves slicing thin wood layers from logs using specialized cutting machines. These machines swiftly process wood into thin sheets, enhancing efficiency in veneer production. The sliced veneers undergo drying, bluing, and pressing to create strong, uniform wood panels. Precision machines ensure high-speed and quality production of veneers for various woodworking applications. Here you can see how a rough crab apple log transforms into a beautifully shaped dry base. With each careful pass of the lathe, the log's form evolves, showcasing the wood's unique grain. As the shape emerges, the once rough exterior gives way to a smooth, refined surface. Turning continues, refining the vessel's profile and depth, enhancing its visual appeal. final touches reveal the vase's true character, highlighting the wood's natural colors and patterns. The completed vase stands as a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of woodturning. The universal sawmill station combines a chainsaw sawmill, sawhorse, and workbench seamlessly. Its telescopic movement system eliminates the hassle of readjusting logs during cutting. With the ability to handle logs up to 1,450 millimeters long, it offers versatile woodworking capabilities. Woodworking machinery utilizes CNC processing to automate and precisely shape wood materials for various applications. CNC processing streamlines production, enabling intricate designs and accurate woodwork manufacturing. Delivering portable, autonomous fabrication, the Goliath CNC router boasts a vast work area and precision. With its omnidirectional wheels and patented sensor system, it guarantees 0.1 mm repeatability. This fully automatic CNC lathe efficiently processes posts with precision, enhancing productivity and ensuring consistent quality. The Rover C excels in precision for furniture, staircase, door, and window component manufacturing. Its technology supports complex shaping, ensuring quality, precision, and long-term reliability. Featuring a powerful HSD 5-axis unit, it guarantees precise machining of complex pieces. The gantry structure ensures vibration-free, high-precision execution, setting new reliability standards in workmanship. At Veneer, high-quality wood is meticulously chosen for durability and beauty in crafting chairs. The selected wood is cut precisely to the chair's design specifications, ensuring accuracy. Utilizing CNC wood cutting, Veneer employs 5-axis and 6-axis CNC machines for precision. Following cutting, each piece undergoes sanding to achieve a smooth finish. Assembly is carefully executed, ensuring all components fit seamlessly together. Finally, the chairs are coated for beauty and durability, then undergo rigorous quality checks.